wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title. If you want to know more what I'm talking about, let's go. Okay, so if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, then you know like about a month ago, I woke up, I was like, ooh, wait a minute. Whose skin is that? It was giving real snake. It was giving real leathery. I don't like that. Y'all know I take my skincare very seriously, but I have not been shy about the fact that the first half of this year damn near took your girl out, okay? She was stressed, hated where she was living, and honestly, truly, like, prioritizing my skincare and really like self-care in general went out the window. And I woke up and I like really looked at my skin and I was like, I do not like that. So I was like, let me stop playing. Let me get back on my skincare grind. I am back to my 10-step routine. So I want to do a video because I have talked about some of the things I started doing, and I got some questions about it. So, outside of the like face wash, moisturizer, stuff like that, I wanted to let you guys know. So first off, when it comes to my like 10-step routine, I am pretty much using the same product that you guys saw in whatever the last like skincare routine video was, like same cleansers, toners, essence, moisturizers, and it's still very much so mostly Glow Recipe. Kiehl's. I did start using that It Cosmetics moisturizer, but for the most part, my skincare is pretty Glow Recipe. I did get a comment from someone saying that they can't use Glow Recipe because it is, some of their stuff is scented. Like, if it says like watermelon toner, it might smell like watermelon. I do have sensitive skin. I haven't come across any issues, but everything that I say in this video, make sure you keep in mind what your skin is like. And if you see dermatologists, doctors, anything like that, make sure you talk to them about it before you do anything on your face, right? Letting you guys know ahead of time, I have oily, combination, sensitive skin. And really the areas that I'm trying to target are texture, some dark spots, and acne. But all that to say, one product that I did want to point out is please do not wait, okay? Mind you, I have a whole video about this. That's gotta be like 6-something years old at this point. But it was a video where I was like, yes, even if you are black, you still need sunscreen, okay? And the comments that I was getting, literally a colonizer, like, okay, they survived, years ago without sunscreen in Africa, and I'm like, did they? Or did they just have illnesses that weren't because of the times and they did? Okay. But I'm gonna say it again, all these years later, wear sunscreen, okay? Some of my favorite sunscreens, there is one from Kiehl's that I really like, but lately I have been using this Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Balm SPF 45 just because it's a lot easier. I also think that's one of the reasons why, especially for deeper complexions, why they don't like wearing sunscreen. One, because finding a sunscreen that is compatible with your skin tone. And it's funny, I don't know if you guys saw, but when Rihanna put out the SPF in a tinted version, and people came out and they were like, they don't have, shades for lighter skin tones, blah, blah, blah. And people were like, the reason they had to make tinted SPF is because the non-tinted SPF that works for your skin tone was making darker skin tones look ashy when they wear SPF. That's why they tinted it. So that is a reason why deeper complexions also don't like wearing sunscreen. And it's hard sometimes finding sunscreen that will work under makeup. And then there's the whole reapplying sunscreen every few hours. So it's tedious, yes, but it is worth it. Okay. Anytime I see those videos where they show like what someone's skin looks like because of sun damage. Ooh, it's not even rolled up. But this is why I like this one. You literally can just roll it on, place it on, and then, blend it out on your face. This one does make my face shiny, so if I'm not wearing makeup, my face, I feel like, does it look shiny right now? Because I have it on right now. I feel like a little bit. It's kind of toned down today. But like once I put makeup on top of it, I don't have anything to worry about. But yeah, please wear sunscreen. The next thing I'm pretty sure I've talked to you guys about before, but is the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peels. This is like, I do use this like frequently, but if I have those moments where I fall off skincare and I need to like pick back up quickly, this is one of those like emergency tools where the next day it's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be right back to where you fell off, but it's gonna do something, okay? These peels, when I tell you like texture, glowing skin after using them, so this is what one looks like. There's a step 1, step 2, and obviously, you know, you use one for the other one. Now, again, I have sensitive skin. I have seen some people say like they have to kind of like space out, and the directions do also say when using it, you know, start small, and then if your face builds up to it, you can use them every day. Some people use them every other day. Some people use it once a week. You really just have to determine how you want to use it. But like if you're focusing on texture, anything like that, I think incorporating this into your skincare routine will really help you. There's this one, and then there's the red one. So I think this is the extra strength one, and then the red one is the normal one, something like that. I use this one, okay? I can only tell you about this one. I had started using this late last year, early this year, something like that. I got the little, no, I'm not gonna lie, it's not. Something is behind, like something feels like it's on my nose. It ain't cheap. Like the little small travel pack size is like $20. I think the 30-day supply is like $90 or something like that. No, the 60-day supply is like $90. And then like the largest size they have is like one something. But it's worth it. I'm telling you. If you want that like glass skin, glowing, shining, I'm gonna go closer as I talk about some of the other things that I've been incorporating. Don't sleep on this. I did start incorporating facials. That is like a luxury skincare type thing. You know, I don't do it, like some of the places I've gone to, they have packages where you can get it like once a week, once a month, stuff like that. I do know that is a luxury, but I'm also throwing it out there. I'm letting you know, that I have started incorporating facials. And, the last time I got a facial, I tried, no, that was like 2 facials ago. I tried dermaplaning, where they like, you know, the shaving the dead skin off your face, stuff like that. Baby, when I tell you makeup goes on flawless on top of that. But all of that is very luxury, right? But one thing that I do notice that they offer is microneedling. And the company reached out to me. It's called Banish. And they were like, hey, we'd love to send you our microneedling tool to use at home. And I'm like, wait a minute. I'm kind of intrigued because I know that's something that they offer at spas, stuff like that. But I didn't know like I could do that at home, because like the whole micro needle got me like, wait a minute, you know, I pay for convenience. I also pay to let people do what they're professionally trained to do, right? Like some things I'll do that at home, but I was like, I don't know about that. But they sent it to me. This is what it looks like. I'll get closer. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Can you see, like, do you see the little like pricks? Do you see that? So basically take this little tool, right? And then, hold on. So you take it, I'm trying not to touch my actual skin, but because I already did it once this week, and you're only supposed to do it like once a week. So it's like literally just pat, 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 your entire face, right? So I do 3 pats on each little piece of my face. And again, it's supposed to help with like texture, acne, dead skin on your face. I am in my 3rd week of doing this. I'll post up what my skin looked like the first week. The first week of me doing it, and now me 3 weeks into doing it. But when I tell you my skin is getting there, obviously it's not perfect. It's only been like a month. But when I tell you, skin is getting there. By the end of this year, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing when it comes to my skin, okay? Now, I have gotten questions. It really is just that easy. Now, the head, I think you get 8 uses out of each head. So they sent me 2, so I got 16 weeks. Maybe I should do like a full check-in after the full 16 weeks. But that 16 weeks is a long time. So each head gets 8 uses out of it, and you also want to make sure that you are like sterilizing? Cleaning it with alcohol before each use, like that. Do not play with that, because again, these are like little small little prickly things that you're putting into your skin. So please be safe and be clean with it. I got questions if it hurts. I don't think I have the highest pain tolerance, but like I've done laser hair removal. I've done microblading. I've done, you know, like stuff like that. And, you know, I always like the pain, I get waxed. The pain is like, you know, after a while, I don't really feel it anymore. It feels like little, you know, like little, that type pain. But I've also seen people say like, like even lip plumper is too much for them. Like it's too much for them. So I feel like that depends. Would I say it hurts? I think after I'm done, I can't even really say like it's a stinging feeling. It's kind of like my face just feels prickly. But also I am sensitive to touch. And also if you are sensitive to touch, you might want to keep that in mind. So I think like maybe it's my brain working overtime feeling like that, but like does it hurt like unbearable? No. And I'm telling you, when I wake up the next morning after microneedling, this thing gonna see me every Wednesday. Every Wednesday night, me and you go together real bad. And then the last things that I have started incorporating are these dark spot remover patches from Glow Melanin. So I do feel like the peels and the microneedling is helping. This is my problem side. If you can tell, like this side compared to this side. So this is my problem side. I do feel like those are helping with texture, dark spots, but y'all see that, right? And I think those are helping. Someone's car is not starting. What is? Had to go make sure it's not mine, child. You know they like stealing cars, but those are products that I think will work over time. Like when you use your skincare routine in combination over time, you'll see results, yes. But these, I feel like I'm speeding up the process with these. So they're literally just little patches. They have 120 darts in each patch for instant effectiveness, brightens dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So you put the patch on the specific dark spot, go to sleep, leave it on overnight, and then take it off. And I'm telling you, I feel like it is speeding up the process of removing these spots, trying to get this side of my face as clear as this side of my face. And yeah, y'all, that is it. They're little like small things that I've been incorporating, but I feel like they are making a huge difference because I feel like my skin is not giving leathery like it was just 4 weeks ago. And it's crazy like what just 4 weeks can do for you. Also, you know, I take my vitamins every day, drink a lot of water. So making sure that you're healthy on the inside as well also plays a role into your outer appearance. And like I said, wasn't taking care of the inside either earlier this year. So yeah, just wanted to make this video, and also making this video just so like I can come back by the end of the year and see really how my skin is doing. I don't know what's happening to my voice, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So that is what I have been doing to take care or better care of my skin. Let me know in the comments down below what you do, anything I need to incorporate as well. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.